Thank you all for coming back for another DIY video. This idea comes from the Glam Goddess DIY. She messes with me and she knows she does. Because I comment all the time, girl, I'm not finna fool with you today. So this is coming from her. I'll make sure I put it across the video screen so you all can go visit her channel and see all of her glam DIYs and why it just gets me, because I'm a glam girl. I'm going to start off putting some clear Elmer's glue inside the vase. Put enough in the vase so when you spread it around, you have a really good coverage. Take my wedding scatter and put it in the vase here. I'm also going to link where I bought my wedding scatter from, because it was actually cheaper to buy it another place besides Amazon. Amazon, you get the small bags, but it was a lot cheaper buying it the way I bought it. I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to spray some acrylic sealer in here and come back and show you the next step. I am next taking the wedding scatter adhesive ribbon. I'm just going to put this right around the bottom. Go around the curve. I'm going to put a little hot glue on top so it can have a quick adhesion while I wait on the Gorilla Glue to dry. Next, I am going to do a floral arrangement. Florals together because they came out of this vase before I decided to glam it up. I'm just going to stick these right in here. This piece of rhinestone ribbon going right around this section. Another beautiful DIY. Thank you to Glam Goddess DIY creator for inspiring me to make my very own vase similar to hers. I would like you all to stay tuned for my channel as I share a God moment with you as to why I live in Las Vegas. It's definitely a God moment that you do not want to miss. Subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button as I continue to bring you beautiful DIYs and home decorating videos. Decorate my beautiful apartment that God gave me. I appreciate each and every last one of you all, and you have a blessed day.